What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $100 per day with just your phone. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then make sure you watch this entire video. Now, if you're new, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. So, let's hop in the computer and I'll show you right now how you can make $100 per day with just your phone. So what I want to do is I want to show you exactly how, okay? There's 6 steps here that I'm going to walk you through step by step, kind of show you how you can do this, how it's possible, all right? So step 1 is you create a private Facebook group around a problem. That's the key. You have to create it around a problem. So let me give you an example, all right? I created a private Facebook group probably back in 2016, probably right about there, okay? That talked about how to train a pet, okay, a certain type of pet. Now, it was something that I knew a little bit about, but I didn't know a whole lot, so I actually brought in some other people, and we ran the group together. But what we did is we created this group specifically to solve this problem for other people, something that we knew other people had this exact same issue. So we created a private Facebook group, and it actually blew up. It really took off. But you have to make it a private Facebook group. If it's open to everybody, chances of it just taking off are very, very small because people like the fact that, okay, it's private. It must mean that there's something inside that is better than the other groups. And that's exactly what happened. That's the mindset I think a lot of people had. And so the group actually took off. Once you do that, the second step is you want to create 3 pieces of content per day and auto-publish those. The reason why I like to create 3 pieces of content every single day for these certain groups is because, one, you get one in the morning. Get those people that are, the early risers, okay? You do something like 7 a.m., or 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 9 a.m. over on the East Coast, okay? That's a totally different time zone, okay? And so by doing 3 different posts every single day, you're reaching not only people on the East Coast and the West Coast, but people over in, in India and Australia and Mexico and Canada and, wherever, okay, and over in the UK. The goal is to get a lot of people to see your content, okay? It's not the content that's going to make you money. That's not going to do anything for you, but it's going to help you build that group. And the goal is to get a lot of people inside that group so at some point you can sell them something. And here's what I want to explain that, all right? So, one of the things that you're going to struggle with, I'm going to talk about how to make money in just a second, but one of the things you're going to struggle with is, okay, you create the content, and some people see it, some people don't. I like to use pictures, videos, and just static posts. I like to make a lot of, put a lot of words in there into your post, just so that people will see it. They can probably pick it up on search. There's so many different variables here, and we'll get to that, in another video. But one of the tricks I use, I like to use Instagram to build some hype, okay? And what I do is I'll do the whole Instagram bio, what this account is about, who's running it, and then a link, okay? Instagram gives you one link that you can put a link to whatever. I like to put it back over to that Facebook group so people are more inclined to not only read the post over on Instagram, but follow me over on Facebook as well. Again, 3 posts per day. Don't use the same post. And I also like to comment and like 50 other posts and accounts per day. Do this for 30 days because it shows consistency. That's what you need for a new account. Now, the reason why I'm using Instagram, now I do use engagement groups. If you don't know what that is, look here on YouTube. Just type in engagement group or engagement pod. But really, what it is I put a link to my post, every single post or every couple posts, and it goes into a group, and this group some people will go and like it and share it and comment or whatever, okay? And so it really helps you boost the engagement, what gets you put in the Explore page, and people see you, people start to follow you, and it kind of goes up from there, okay? So that's a little short rundown. I know it's not a whole lot into it, but that is what I do. And the whole reason behind using Instagram plus Facebook is with Instagram, you can target people a lot faster, okay? You can really dive into the specific hashtags. Go follow a bunch of those people, go comment, go like it. And once you do, if they're interested in the topic that you're talking about, for instance, pet training, or let's say you're training a golden retriever, okay? That's not mine, but that's something that you could do. How to train a golden retriever, okay? Or a golden retriever puppy, something like that. And by being so specific, you're going to reach those individual people that have a golden retriever puppy, somebody that's less than a year or 2 years old. Okay, and by doing that, chance of them following you and also following you on Facebook is much higher. Okay, so that's one thing I'd recommend you do. Now, here's something else I do. Again, I'm going to talk to you about how you can make money in just a second, and it's something that it's pretty easy once you understand it, once you do it once. But in the beginning, it's like, wow, that's confusing. How would you ever make money doing that? So here's step 4. Okay, again, there are 6 steps here. Step 4 is to post on related groups and pages with a link to your group. Okay, not to a product, not to something you're selling, to your actual Facebook group. The reason why you want to post a link to your group instead of a product is because if you're posting and submitting actual quality content inside of a group or page, what's going to happen is the admins are most likely going to see it, and you don't want them to just go and delete it because you're trying to promote some product or a different website. Now, you are promoting a different Facebook page, so they may not like that. So one of the things I recommend is to do your entire post, okay? Post and share, actually give some, contribute to the group. But maybe in the comment section, you can be like, oh, I have a similar page just like this. It's blah, 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 whatever on Facebook, okay? And just put a link to it. Now, by doing this, people are going to slowly start to see it, and as more and more comments roll in, your whole goal is to get people to see that comment or the link inside the actual post and click on it and go and like your group, go and join, ask to join. Okay? By doing so, your group, the group numbers, your members are going to go up, and you need more members in order to make more money. Step number 5 is you want to include affiliate links into 1 out of 3 posts per day. Now, I know you could make more money if you do 3 out of 3 posts. However, some of the members will be turned off by this, so they will stop following you. They will, unsubscribe, they'll unjoin, whatever they have to do to get out of that group. One thing I can tell you is when you put a link to an affiliate product that pushes people off of Facebook, if you do it inside the actual post, the post is going to be seen by less people. So here's what I recommend. For that specific post that you do have an affiliate link, I'd recommend you talk about the product. Let's say you have this new leash that you're using to train that golden retriever. Okay, great. Put a picture, put all this stuff, but then say, if you're interested in that particular link or particular leash, I will provide a link, and that will be the first comment down below. Okay, so people are like, oh, I want to see that. I want to see how it works. I want to see the reviews that maybe over on Amazon. Then you post a link to that product over on Amazon. People click it. Maybe they go buy the product, maybe they don't. But the whole goal is the more people you get through, the better chances you'll be able to make $100 per day with just your phone. Again, all you need is your phone. That's the beautiful thing about using Facebook and Instagram and even Amazon, is you can get all the apps directly on your phone to do all the work you have to do. So if you have this and you have battery, as if it's charged, you can make money. All right. Let me show you step number 6. All right. Here's something I highly recommend. This is something that has helped me build a few of my different Facebook pages. I know a few people that do this exact same method, and it works extremely well. So what we're doing here is we choose one main product, one main affiliate product to promote. And the whole goal is to find an affiliate product that gives you a recurring commission, which means it's probably a monthly subscription type of product. For me, the very first one I ever did was actually on email marketing software. I think at first I started with Aweber, and it did really well. Then I went on, after I did Aweber, I created another Facebook page, and this one was on HostGator. It's a hosting platform for a website, which at that time it was a monthly commission that I would get. Okay, and same thing with Aweber. It's a monthly commission that I would make by talking about this one product. Okay, you want more leads as a real estate agent? Great. Here's the tool I recommend. First, build a website. Second thing, start your actual list. Build a list. And by offering those two things, what I did was every single member that would see it and be like, oh, yeah, I want more leads. I want to make more money too. I want to get more whatever. Okay, maybe I need this software. Same thing with people that are talking about stock trading and using trading platforms, or there's a bunch of groups out there that talk about Builderall, okay, and ClickFunnels. Both are kind of a landing page type funnel software, and both of those, the people that have those pages are doing really well because they're teaching people how to use them and how to use all the features and how to get into them. They're giving them bonuses to get in using their affiliate link. So by using this one strategy and trying to build a page around a specific problem, whether it's losing weight, how to save money on your electrical bill, okay, how to be a survivalist, tips to be a nudist, or I don't know, okay, but the goal is to solve a problem, because if you solve a problem, what's going to happen is people that have that problem are going to start flocking to your page. And that's how you can get to that goal of making $100 per day with just your phone. All right? So let me show you this one more time. Okay, again, 6 steps right here. How to make $100 a day with just your phone. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or if you have a Samsung Galaxy or a Google phone. As long as you have a smartphone, you can do this on it. So step 1, create that private Facebook group around a problem. This is the goal, around a problem. If you do not do this, you will struggle. It will suck. Okay, it really will. Step 2, create 3 pieces of content per day and auto-publish them. Set them up to auto-publish. Create all the content in the beginning of the month. Okay, it's the 1st of August or September, October, whatever month it is. Okay, it's the first day. Go and create all the content. Okay, 90 pieces of content. Okay, that's pictures, that's posts, that's maybe a video, a viral video, something, and set it to auto-publish. Okay. Step 3, use Instagram to build hype around a problem. Like I said, and put the link in the bio. Like I said, go and target specific hashtags. Okay, go and like, comment, follow some of the other people that like the exact same stuff, that are talking about your topic. Okay, 3 posts per day. Step 4, post on related groups and pages with your link inside the group. Now don't spam. You're doing this on Facebook. The reason why I say do this on Facebook is because you want to get your name out there. Okay, that's the goal. Get your name out there. And if you're talking about how to train your golden retriever, don't go and post on a page that's how to train your golden retriever. Go and post on a page such as dog training, Caesar Milan, whatever, something related, but not so specific to your exact topic. Step 5, include affiliate links into 1 out of 3 posts per day. By doing this, you're going to be your members are going to be more inclined to stay a member as opposed to unjoin, simply because all you're doing is promoting a bunch of products that they don't need or don't want. Step 6, the last step, is to promote one main solution. That solution is really up to you, but I highly recommend choose something that's recurring. So if the problem is how to train your golden retriever, I don't know if there's going to be a recurring commission to that. Okay, I don't think there will be. I want to try to promote something and solve a problem that's around that can be utilized using a monthly service. Okay, maybe how to dress well. There's different fit box things. There's like watch gang. There's all these different things that they'll send you new clothes, new watches, new jewelry, new sunglasses, new wallet, new shoes, whatever you need every single month. And by doing that, you get a recurring commission. Okay, I'm not sure if Watch Gang does it, but I know it's out there. Now, I haven't looked into a lot of that, but just be aware that if you are not interested in the topic that you're talking about here, okay, all this is going to be very hard for you to do, all right? So make sure you have a passion for whatever it is you're talking about, because making $100 a day, whether it's with your phone or not, is harder to do than most people think. It does take time, it does take energy, it does take a commitment on your part. So hopefully this video kind of helped you out, shed some light on how people make money with Facebook and Instagram, and just what they do, what is different than they do that you may not have ever thought of or heard of before. So if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Like I said in the beginning of this video, subscribe if you're new so you get some daily videos, help you make more money online. But again, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.